In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Magic, specifically the AI features within your Monday.com workspace. First, let's make sure that Monday Magic is enabled. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, click on your profile photo, navigate to Admin, and then head over to AI Settings. Here, you want to ensure that either Enable Monday Magic or Enable AI Features is turned on. If you don't see this option, it's worth checking with your workspace admin. Also, double check if your subscription plan supports AI features, as these are available in the Pro or Enterprise plans. Remember, these features roll out gradually, so always make sure that your workspace is updated to the latest version. Now that you've got the AI features enabled, it's time to access Monday Magic. Look for the Magic button or the AI icon dispersed throughout Monday.com. You'll find these in Boards, Docs, Dashboard widgets, and the Sidekick chat panel. Each location offers unique AI-powered assistance tailored to the specific section. When you're working inside a board, Monday Magic can be a great aid. Open any board, such as a project tracker or task board, then select an item and open the Updates section. You'll see an AI icon. Click it to activate Monday Magic. Here, you can ask it to summarize recent updates, draft a client-friendly progress report, or even create a weekly task summary. This tool will instantly generate summaries, updates, or action points tailored to your board's content. Next, let's explore using Monday Magic in Docs. Open a Monday doc and click the magic wand icon or type AI directly into the document. You can then choose various actions like summarizing the doc, rewriting it for clarity, brainstorming ideas for a campaign launch, or turning notes into a to-do list. A handy pro tip is that you can convert these AI-generated to-dos into actual tasks or board items in just one click. Formulas can sometimes be daunting, but Monday Magic simplifies them. Add a formula column to your board, then click on Ask Monday AI Magic. You can request something like calculate remaining budget equals budget minus spent, and it will instantly write the formula for you. No need to memorize complex syntax. Furthermore, Monday Magic helps in generating tasks, updates, and emails. It can draft updates in a polite tone about project delays, convert text into actionable tasks, or even create a follow-up email for a client. You can refine each response by requesting different tones or added detail. Use Monday Magic for analyzing data on your dashboards. Just click the AI icon on a chart or widget and ask it questions like, "What's this quarter's performance summary?" or "Which team has the most overdue tasks?" It provides quick insights ideal for